Hello viewers, are you facing Instagram old message not loading? Showing this error failed to load earlier message. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to App Store. Now tap on Search app and search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps in latest version. After completing update process, now go to Settings. Go to General option. Go to iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find Instagram from the app list. Now tap on Instagram. Now upload your Instagram apps. Tap on Upload app. Now reinstall Instagram apps. Just tap on Reinstall app. Now wait for completing the process. After completing reinstall process, now restart your phone. Just restart your phone. After restart your phone, hopefully your problem will be solved successfully. If still you are facing this problem, then uninstall your Instagram apps and reinstall again. Hopefully this method will fix your problem.